What's up guys, you're watching India Today Tech. I'm Rahul Sethi and in this video I'm going to unbox the Honor 7S. It's a budget phone from Honor and comes at 6,999, priced very similar to the Redmi 6A, and we'll take a look at the specs and see how it compares with that phone. For now, let's quickly unbox the smartphone. We have the blue color variant with us. At the back you'll see there is a single camera module, but it is done in a very dual camera like fashion, and the phone has a plastic build. Buttons are tactile and it has a thin bezel design. We'll come back to the phone. For now, let's take a look at the other box contents. At first you get a warranty card and quick start guide, and there's also a screen guard bundled with the phone. You get a very big micro USB cable, which is quite nice, and it has a 10-watt adapter. Seems to be better than the Redmi 6A that comes with a 5-watt adapter and a not so good quality cable. Lastly, you get a SIM ejector tool, but there are no earphones inside the box. Now let's quickly pull out the SIM tray and take a look at the slots. So you get a single tray, unlike that on the Redmi 6A that has two trays, and it has triple slots nonetheless, so you get to add two SIM cards and a micro SD card as well. Now if you take a look at the Redmi 6A in comparison, the Honor 7S surely seems to be slightly thick and bulky. The 6A is more streamlined and has design taken from the more expensive Xiaomi phones. The Honor 7S on the other hand remains quite primitive. Also, like the Redmi 6A, it doesn't come with a fingerprint scanner. For now, I'll quickly set up the Honor 7S and you take a look at its full specs. Alright, so this is how the Honor 7S looks like. It runs the EMUI, so you find a lot of apps and a lot of features on it. So it runs Android 8.1 out of the box, and the EMUI version it runs out of the box is 8.0. Anyways, as you can see, the phone already has a lot of lags, and it's not really the fastest phone we have seen in this price segment. Although we'll be testing the performance fully, the phone already seems to be quite laggy. So the lags are visible even when you're watching a YouTube video. You'll see I'm running a 720p video on YouTube and it's not really coming out to be nice. You see there are visible lags sometimes. The display quality may be a little better than that of the Redmi 6, and you'll see the color production is slightly closer to the natural ones, and it also has a brighter overall tone. But nonetheless, there are a lot of lags that are visible on the phone, and that is something beyond that of Redmi 6A. We'll have to compare the performance side by side, but for now it appears to be quite a slow phone. Next, if you take a look at the cameras in the live view as well, you'll see there's a slight stutter when you're clicking a photo. On a different note, the color quality and details of the front camera are quite nice. It's quite surprising for a selfie shooter at this price. Also, a photo second from the rear camera appears to be full of noise in the low light situations, but in good light, you'll be able to capture some decent photos. So that is the Honor 7S, guys. Let us know what you think about it in the comment section below, and if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel to get latest videos on technology, smartphones and gadgets like this. Thank you for watching.